Up took place in the last 30 minutes. Remember, most of the Asian markets were shut today, so volumes were on the lighter side. The metal sector was shining, led by the big upgrade from Jefferies as well as China reopening theme. The metal index up close to about 2.5%. And talking about the big metal winners, Tata Steel, Hindalco were up 6 and 3% respectively. But outside of that, it was steady gains. So for instance, the Nifty Realty Index was up close to about 1%. The Nifty PSU Banking Index was up 0.9%. The Banking Index was up 0.6%. The IT Index as well had a gain of 0.5%. Along with that, the Auto Index. So pretty broad-based, you would have to say. Talking about the big winners, you had ONGC rallying 2.5% on the back of Brent crude prices, surging to levels of 86. Tata Motors, M&M, so some reactions to the auto sales numbers for Tata Motors. The numbers look good, 10% jump on a year-on-year basis. ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, higher in trade. Infosys too, surging nearly 1%. On the losing side, softness seen in Bajaj Auto, Hero MotoCorp. So the two-wheelers were sluggish. Asian Paints goes home as the top Nifty loser, a cut of 1.5%. The street awaits Titans, pre-quarter updates. So Titan ahead of that was down 1.3%. So all in all, a good day, right? Steady and strong.
Well, it was a good day of trade. Rima and our team is just filling us in that Nifty has clocked its second best first day gains all the way since 2013. Remember, last year itself, we were off the blocks in style. We were up 1.5%. And this year as well, we're going home with gains of close to around 0.5%. To track a few more gainers, Pharma was up close to around 7%. Moil did pretty well in trade today. Reddington, that one did see a sharp correction. From around 200 rupees, it went down to around 175 odd, but that's bounced back in style. So that ended high with a gain of around 4%. Orient Paper as well was up close to around 4% or thereabouts. Mangalam, a good session. The Nifty ends in style with a gain of around a century.
The Nifty ends with a century, but the broader markets are the ones which are actually feeling the real runs. Almost two stocks ending in the green for one in the red. 2,000 stocks on day one of 2023 ending higher. From the F&O pack, we had NCC, which was one of the big gainers, up almost 9%. SAIL did extremely well, as did IRB, which did extremely well in trading today. Obviously not an F&O stock, but we did see some moves on that counter. On the losing end, though, we had MCX, which was down 6.5%. Honeywell was the other one, which was down about 2% odd. And from the cash market, we did see a big gain come by on SML Isuzu, locked in 20% upper circuit on account of their December sales data. So more stocks advancing than declining. With that, we take your leave on this edition of Closing Bell. That's a wrap on the first trading session of 2023. A good day for the markets. All right.